It's the Power Friendship train. It's the train that's the Power Friendship. I'm recording the Power Friendship train.
Yeah, that's the last thing you do.
Gotta get my seat. Oh my god! This is really scary. Yes, we're gonna be all okay, guys. It's scary. I'm scared already, guys. It's scary. Oh my god. This is really scary, guys. We're all gonna die.
I'm gonna throw up.
You're gonna throw up on me? That's gross. You don't have to wear your seatbelt either. Recording it. Track ride. The Cal B train. The Gobi train. Screaming. This is the scariest thing I've ever been through in my entire life. I threw up because of how terrifying it is. That'd be awesome if we go all the way down there. Go there. Oh yeah. You don't need to seatbelt, kids. Just talk to me. Are you okay? And there's the moon. Hi. Oh my god. 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 I'm scared. Oh god. I can't say that. About the trees. Off the trees. They're dead.
Hopefully we're done. Ready? Go up now.
We're gonna do it 5 more times. Ew. Smell that? Oh my god. Oh my god. That was really scary.